Hey everyone, Rick Fuller here with Eisenhower Coaching and Training. Today I want to talk to you about how to use AI tools to write contractual terms, to write financial terms, to create a note, to create amortization schedules. There are a lot of great AI tools and resources out there that can help you do this. This is not a replacement for your broker. This is not a replacement for your corporate attorney or your state or local contracts that have been created and vetted by real estate professionals through your association or wherever you get those forms. This is designed to be really the first step. It's to help you kind of explore different ways to write contractual terms to help you ensure that your contract sticks and that it is written in a professional manner. It's also a great way to be able to create contract terms like financial terms, like notes and the terms of a note and amortization schedule, and draft up what an amortization schedule is with both principal and interest. Maybe you don't want to have an amortization schedule that's on a 30 or 15. Maybe you want to have it tied to the Wall Street Journal prime rate, like an index. And so if you're lending money yourself, you may find using ChatGPT and artificial intelligence to write some of those contract terms, it'll use a tool they call Python. And Python will then create those terms and be able to spit it out. And then you can have it actually create the note. Then take that note or take that contractual term that you inputted that you got from Klarity. Klarity's with a K, by the way, or Spellbook or ChatGPT. Take that and run it by your broker. Take that and run it by your corporate attorney. I will tell you, this is going to save you thousands and thousands of dollars in legal fees as a result of having a starting point. The moment an attorney creates a new document and it starts with a fresh Word document, you're going to find that your attorney bill is going up significantly. These are called LLMs. They're large language models. Large language models are used often by attorneys to create contractual terms or even real estate brokers to help create financial terms to write contracts to help their clients. Again, powerful tool to use. We've created an AI contract review prompt sheet so that you can actually use that to create some contractual pieces and have it review the contract terms. You can also upload your residential purchase agreement or your purchase and sale agreement and have it spit out for you a summary. And so now you have a document that you can reference that gives you a summary of terms. All these are powerful tools and resources that AI can help leverage you. AI is not going to replace you. It's going to enhance you. It's going to help you become more productive. It's going to help you be able to do more, and it's going to help you to be able to do the one thing that matters most in the real estate business, and that's interact with people. All right? So use those AI tools to start the conversation with contractual terms and financial terms. You're going to find it'll make it a lot easier and save you a lot of money. All of this can be found in our AI course in the Agent Management Portal. It's a great course with 8 different modules on various aspects of using AI to help leverage you in the real estate business to really take you to the next level. Enjoy.